Hey there, my name is Demetri, and in this video, we're gonna dive into a brand new product that we're here to bring you called Testimonial.new. Testimonial.new allows you to send a testimonial in seconds. No need for any sign up. It's 100% free. And all you simply need to do is go to Testimonial.new and follow this process. So for example, if I click on this right here, I can say, heyo, I'm Demetri, I'm looking good. I can record similar to anything I'd experienced before. So, hey, my name's Demetri, what's up? Really good stuff, you make great videos, big testimonial, love your everything. Now, this would allow me to then take this and put founder of Rise Productive, Demetri Panici, and then where would the recipient's email be? So this essentially is a link that you're gonna send out, right, to anybody. And then if I send this out to my specific email, right? Say somebody requests this to be sent to them. The same can be said for the Testimonial.new for this written one. So if I say, you make great videos, I'm gonna choose an image and I put founder Rise Productive, my name. So if I go and submit this testimonial right here, you see, I make great videos. Thank you. I appreciate that. You'll see I'll get a email right here that tells me that I make great videos, which I obviously appreciate. And I can click here to view that testimonial specifically in the Testimonial.new interface. It essentially has these links that exist. But if I want to capture this and have it work in a consistent format, I would sign up to Testimonial.to to handle a large amount of testimonials with ease. So this would be what would be submitted to the person. Now you'll notice here that create a link so you can receive testimonials straight to your email. Watch this. I put Demetri at riseproductive.com. This is the key here, right? So you're gonna be sending this link out to people. And this link, right, since it's going to that email, makes it easier to send out testimonials without you having to type in that email at the bottom. Sure, you can use the new one, or it's simply a addition to the link so that it goes back, similar to what like a UTM parameter would look like. So then in the same route here, I would just say, Demetri is the best, smile. And I'd add a picture. I would say, video editor, Rise Productive, right? So I can press submit here, and then it would essentially go to my email. Now this is a really easy and simple process, right? We're just sending emails to people for testimonials. But if we wanted to make it more advanced and house things inside of different spaces so that we could showcase it on your website, similar to what I have with my content services page, you're gonna wanna use Testimonial.to. So Testimonial.new will get you started. It's completely free. You're able to send that out, and it's a great experience overall. But what you are going to want to do if you level things up inside of your business and want to post all of your testimonials in a nice, cohesive, wall of love sort of way, you 100% need to check out Testimonial.to. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next one.